Okay, we're starting on our second round of cases, and first round for the younger Dr. Poonam. Are we on? Okay. Same thing. We've done a pelvic examination. We've seen the position of the uterus. Camera has been assembled, light cord put, cervix caught with the valcellum in the direction that we spoke about. Fluid, give us fluid on, instrument in the channel. This lady query has a polyp, so let us see what we find. Put it in, take your speculum out, look at the screen. Okay, take it easy, take it out, take your telescope out, see. Okay, you need to follow that. So if it's in the upper half of the thing, remember, you need to depress your hand. Okay? Okay. Depress your hand further. Okay, you see that hole there? Advance it slowly. Further, advance it. Slowly. You see tissue moving, na? That's it. Depress your hand a little bit. Move your scope out. Move it out. Okay. Okay, can you see that? Okay. Now move it in through that. Okay. That's it. See, come out. Okay. So we are actually in the cavity. Let me show you a little bit. That's how you manipulate and you take it in. See, you need to depress your hand there. Okay. There. You've actually gone into the anterior wall. Can you see? Okay. So that is there. Okay. So her endometrial tissue is much thicker than it is because she's at that stage. That's your centralized cavity. Hold this here. That's the ostia there. You move in there. Okay. You take it out. That's your wall there. It's much thicker endometrial tissue again. She's not post-menstrual. Go to the other side. See that? You can see the polyp there. Okay. Somebody said an ostial polyp. An ostial polyp will be smaller than this and a little further inside the ostia. Okay. So here you need to cut the base. So since this is your second case, that is your vision there. You were talking about how do we do? So that's the base. Yeah. Put your instrument inside and cut the base there. Hold it here. The camera is to be held steady. Only your right hand moves now. Take it out. You need to, vision has to be there. Take your instrument in. That's it. Okay. So it's a lot of tissue. That's why you're having a problem. So otherwise you would not. Take your instrument out. Okay. Wait. Leave it loose. Okay. We get a vision there and then we do it. Can you see that? Yeah. It's a little difficult because of the tissue being hyperplastic. So it's not so simple. But otherwise you see a base. Okay, let me just take this polyp out and then we can do this thing. Because otherwise we'll... Okay. So it's a little... Hold on. Take this tool out. Okay. So where are we? There we are. Okay. So tissue is thick, which is why she was having a problem. Pani do Mangal Singh. Pani aa raha hai?
Leaking from there.
Okay, let's have a look. That's fine. Let me. Chodo. Okay. See what we are doing wrong. Okay. Let me explain to you what we were doing. Okay, that's the polyp. Now my camera had gone like this. It had gone, are you seeing my hands? So I was not in my anatomical position. Okay, this has to be centralized here in the center to get your bearings as to where you are. Okay, so this is in the center here, this is in the center here. Can you see my hands outside? Okay. Now you see the polyp here, you see the base here. So, Dr. Puram, that's what you were doing. You had moved that also. Okay. So, my left hand is steady here. It's my right hand that is moving and seeing the polyp and cutting the base with the instrument. There we go. Okay. So, left hand has to be steady and focused at the point that you want to operate. That's that con. It's a little bit left here, we'll cut it. Okay, now you see what I mean by if the polyp gets free completely, it sort of circulates in the fluid. That's the cavity. Okay, that's the ostia that you had seen, that's the ostia that you had seen that side. Okay,
Even smaller this side.
no, this is fine.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. The tissue is more, so it is blocking the ostia like that. It appears blocked. Go out and let's see, and we've lost the polyp. There. Okay, see? That's the polyp. Give me my forceps. Now, if it was a smaller polyp, it would have flown out of the cervical canal and you wouldn't find it into the bucket. See how the polyp moves in the cavity and it's difficult to catch it. Your fluid management, Mangal Singh is there who is stopping the fluid so that it doesn't flow, so I can go and grasp it. So you need a good team and you hold it and then you slowly come out. That's your polyp. Can everybody see the polyp outside? So it's a fairly big polyp. Come, put. Come. Speculum though. Remember, anatomical position means the camera and the light cord has got to be in one direction, in a straight line. Yeah, that's why we couldn't see it. So if this is stable, this has to be stable, remember that. You're moving only the light cord. Okay? Okay, that's good. Take your hand a little bit out. Okay, can you see that? So it's in the center, right? Just depress your hand a little bit. Yeah. Move the hand a little lower down. Okay, now move it in slowly. Yeah, follow it. There we go. Okay, Pani do Mangal Singh. Let the fluid come in so the blood will flow away. Okay, so you're in the cavity now. Now you need to put your right handed.
Yeah.
So hold the camera with your right hand there. Your left hand is free. Take the light cord. Yeah. Move it to either which direction. Move it to this side. That's it.
I think I'm not in the cavity.
No, you're in the cavity. Slightly little below the cavity, but that's fine. Move it this way. Okay. Now follow this wall. This is the left lateral wall. You need to follow it in order to reach the ostia. Can you see that? There. Go in a little further because we've cut there. There. In that is the ostia. Come out. That's the wall. Go back to the center with the light cable. Go forward a little bit. Go inside. Go inside. That's the posterior wall. Okay. Now take the cable to the other side. That's it. That's the ostia on that side, right? Come out. That's the right lateral wall. Now go lay the light cable right 180 degrees down below. Okay. Remember your camera is to be steady while you're moving the light cable. Now move it inside. Go in, go in, go in. That's the position that we went in before. Okay. So that's the anterior wall. Okay. The telescope was put into that area first. Okay. That's how you form a false passage also. Okay. That area, the reddish area. Now bring it back to the center and show me the cavity. Depress your hand. Depress your hand. That's it. Bring it in the center. Depress your hand. Now move it inside. That's it. A little more. That's the hanging tissue from the anterior wall that we went into. That's your cavity now. Okay? That's your cavity. That's your basic hysteroscopy. Come Poonam. आप भी देख लो. कम डॉग. निकाल ले. लेट हर इंसर्ट इट herself. नेक्स्ट पेशेंट लगा दिया. नेक्स्ट पेशेंट रेडी है.
बुला लीजिए.
हाँ. Okay, centralize it again. Light cord and camera. Sorry. Okay, that's it. Don't go in. Now look at the screen when you're going in. It's in the upper half, so depress your hand. That's it. See, your camera is turned, so you need to do this. Okay? हाँ, थोड़ा हाथ नीचे ऐसे. हाँ, ये सेंटर में आ गया ना. Now you go in and go in there. That's the overhanging anterior wall. Now stay here. That's the cavity. Okay? Now let it just fluid come in. Now if you keep your left hand stable with the camera, move your light cord to the left of you. Light cable, just the cable, not the move it. That's it. That's your left wall. So if you follow that, you'll reach the ostia. Simple. There's a clot there because we've cut, like I said, the thing. Yeah, come out again, come out further. Yeah. Now take the cable to the central position. ऊपर ले जाओ. ऊपर ले जाओ. Okay. Take it a little further out the camera. Out. हाँ, टेलीस्कोप बाहर निकालो और एंड इसको सेंटर में लाओ. केबल को और केबल को. हाँ, that's it. Further little more. Okay, move your hand a little bit here. Okay, that's your cavity again. Okay. So now if you take your cable to the other side, holding the camera steady, that's it. Further. That's it. Yeah, don't move the camera. That's it. That's the ostia there. Okay, now bring your hand out.
This is the
Right ostia. I'll tell you. Now take the camera out, telescope out. That's it. Now you're seeing the right lateral wall. Okay. Take it back to the center. The light cable. हाँ, ठीक है. ले जाओ सेंटर में. Now turn the light cable upside down. नीचे 180 degrees ले जाओ. That's it. Okay. That's your anterior wall. Okay. You have a bit of a hyperplastic tissue there. Okay. It's not a polyp, but it's a hyperplastic tissue there. Okay. So take it back to the center, your light cable on top. Okay. Depress your hand a bit. नहीं नीचे बाहर. हाँ, outside. Now नीचे हाथ ऐसे. That's the cavity. Can you see? It's centralized now. Now when you're removing it, slowly remove it.
So how do I see the other ostia?
Like you saw it before. Take your cable to the left. To your left. No, that one you've seen. Take it to this side. Yeah, there's a clot there in front of it, so you're not going to be able to see it. But same way, you just follow this. Okay, there in the distance you can see it beyond the clot. Okay, you lift your hand there, and you go. But because of the clot, you can't see it because you've taken a polyp out from there. But the other one is nicely visible. Okay, now bring it to the center again. That's it. Depress your hand so that it's in the center and take it out and see the cervical canal. आवाज नहीं आ रही? उसको बोलो ऑडियो विजुअल वाले को. Okay, take it out and see the cervical canal. हाँ, निकालते आ रही है? Okay, that's it. Okay, that's what your question, the biopsy. Open the biopsy forceps, invaginate into the tissue, twist it and then take it out like you would take a polyp. Okay, normal grasping forceps you can use. They actually have a punch biopsy forceps also, but the normal regular biopsy grasping forceps is better than a punch biopsy. Okay, thank you sir. इसका पॉलिप भेज देना, ठीक है? लिख देना. नहीं, ये क्या है जो गिरा हुआ है नीचे? विजय ये नॉर्मल टिश्यू, ठीक है.